So students, in previous class we have completed up to this topic apply it in your page number 91. In your page number 91, so we have completed up to apply it. I have given homework I think for that. Okay. So what is the chapter name? It is large numbers. Second one, it is large numbers. Okay, so let us see the place value and face value. Next topic is place value and face value. Okay, place value and face value. So what is the place value and what is the face value? We will learn in this class. Okay, so let us see. So he has given some important points here. The place value. So first I will write and then I will explain. Okay, the place value of a digit is the place value of a digit is the digit multiplied. The place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by the value of its place in the number. Okay, so this is one point, and next point is the face value of any digit is the number. The face value of any digit in a number. The face value of any digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Is the value of the digit itself. Okay, so this is the first point. The place value, he is telling the place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by the value of its place in the number. Suppose let us see here 233 is there. Suppose I will write here up 233 is there. 3 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, this 2 is in hundreds place. Okay, so we want the place value of 2. Suppose he is asking the place value of 2. Place value of 2. What he is telling here? Suppose he is asking what is the place value of 2. This question mark implies that is a question. Okay, the place value of a digit here, which digit we are talking about? We are talking about 2. He is asking the place value of 2. So 2 is the digit here. This is for your example I am saying. Okay, so let us read this and try to understand, and when we can apply that in the example. The place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by the value of its place in the number. Digit multiplied with the value of its place. Okay, so suppose what is the meaning is, what he is saying here is, let us try to understand with the example. So there is a number 233 for example. I am taking that number for example. Okay, so in 233 this 3 is in ones place, this 3 is in tens place, this 2 is in hundreds place. Now clear? So if I want the place value of 2, what is the place value of 2? That is the question. So if you want the place value of 2, what he is telling? The place value of a digit, here digit is what? 2. Its place value only we want. No, so the digit is 2 here. So the place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by the value of its place. So this digit multiplied with the value of its place. So the value here is 2 is in which place? 100's place, no? 100 is equal to 200. 200 is the place value of 2. So this 2 is digit here. 2 is digit here. 100 is what? 100 is the place value of its place. Place value. Digit into place value, will give you the place value of the number. Okay, so he is telling the place value of a digit is the digit, this is the digit multiplied by the value of its place. Value of the place is how much? 100 in the number, that will become the place value of the digit. Okay, here we are talking about 2. So that is the example. Now what is the face value? Some more examples I will tell in the coming topic. Okay, the face value of any digit is a number. So the face value of any digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. So place value means what we are doing, we are, suppose we want the place value of 2, no? So we are multiplying 2 with, in which place it is at? 100's place. So 2 into 100, we got 200 is the place value of 2. Which number? 2. For 2 the place value is 200. What is the face value? Face value is the digit itself is telling, means face value equal to 2 only, but place value is 2 into the value of its place is how much? 100. 2 into 100, 200. Face value is 2, place value is 200. Like that, these two important points you have to remember. Okay, you have to understand them carefully, then only you can solve the this type of questions. What is the place value, what is the face value? Okay, so let us try to understand with some more examples. Okay, so he has given here 84562. 84,562 is the number. Let us see. This 2 is in 1's place, this 2 is in 10's place, this is in 100's place, this is in 1000's place, this is in 10,000's place. Okay, so write the place value and face value of each digit in the number. For every digit you have to find the place value and face value. So let us see. So we are starting from here. For 8, place value equal to, so for 8 we have to find the place value of, for every digit he is telling, for every digit, for this, for every digit you have to find 2. What is that? Place value and face value. So I am trying to start with 8. Okay, for 8 place value is how much? So what I said, for 8 we are finding means that number into in which place it is there? 10,000. That equal to 80,000. 80,000 is the place value. How? Digit, here we are finding for 8, no? So that digit into the value of its place. So 8 into 10,000, 80,000 is the place value. Face value is what? Face value of 8 is 8 itself. Face value of any number is, any digit is the digit itself. That is the statement of face value is equal to 8 only. Clear? So next, for 8 completed. 4. For 4 place value is what? Place value equal to, so we are finding for 4, no? 4 into 4 is in which place? 1000's place. So 4000 is the place value. What is the face value of 4? Face value of 4 is 4 only. Okay, face value of 4 is 4 only. Next, so for 8 and 4 we have completed, no? I am rubbing this. So here one more thing, for 5, place value is what? So for 5 we are finding, no? So place value of 5 he is asking. The digit is 5. 5 into, in which place it is there? 100's place. 5 into 100 is 500. That is the answer. So what is the face value? Face value equal to 5. For 5 the face value is that itself, so face value of 5 is 5 only. For next, for 6, place value equal to 6 is in which place? Tens place. So 6 digit into the place value, 6 into 10, 60, that is the place value. What is the face value? Face value of 6 is 6 only. Okay, so last one we are having, that is 2. So we are finding for 2, no? For 2, place value equal to, so for 2 place value is what? The digit 2 into, in which place it is there? 1. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 is the place value. Face value is what? Face value of 2 is what? That digit itself, means 2 only. So like that you have to find the place value and face value for every digit. Okay, right? So we have completed this example. So let us now see the expanded form. So instead of this, for the place value and face value, I will give some more examples for you, okay, so that it will be very clear. Okay, while I am teaching the class only, you should understand everything. That's why I am giving very nice examples. Okay, very good examples I am giving you. Okay, so let us take one more. 8,000, not 8,000, let us take 9,959. So you have to find the place value of 5 only. I am telling what is the place value and face value of 5. I am asking about 5 only. So you have to find the place value and face value of 5 only. He is asking about 5 only, no? So you have to find for 5 only. If he is asking for the place value and face value of all the digits of the number, then you have to find for everything. 9959, you have to find for all of this. If he is asking only for particular number, you have to find out that one only. So he is asking about 5. So this is ones place, 9 is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, so here he is asking about the place value and face value of 5. So place value equal to, this is not given in your textbook, for your example, for your clear understanding I am saying this. Place value of 5 equal to, of 5, no? So 5 is the digit into, in which place it is there? It is there in tens place. So 50 is the place value of 5. Next, face value of 5 is equal to 5 only. The face value of a digit is that digit itself. The place value of a digit is, of a digit means here digit is 5. That digit into the place value means in which place it is there. So here 5 is there in tens place. So 5 into 10, 50 is the place value. Okay. So like that you have to understand. So one more number I will give you. So here 99,989 is there. So here I am telling what is the place value and face value of 9. What is the place value and face value of 9? Which 9? I didn't say. So you have to find for this and this. Okay, let us take what is the place value of and face value of each digit in the number. So for every digit we have to find out. Okay, so here in this digit 4 9s are there and 1 8 is there. So let us see, this 9 is in ones place. For every digit you have to find the place value and face value. Okay, so this 9 is there in ones place, this 8 is there in tens place, this 9 is there in hundreds place, this 9 is there in thousands place, this 9 is there in 10,000s place. Okay, so what is the place value and face value of each digit in the number? We have to find for everything. Place value, so for 9, place value, so let us see directly here. I will draw a table. Digit, place value, face value. So let us start from this 9, which is in 10,000s place. Digit is 9. Okay, so this digit, what is the place value? Digit into, in which place it is there? 10,000s place. This is 90,000. Okay, place value is 90,000. What is the face value of 9? 9 only. Next, coming to this one, this 9, which is in thousands place. Digit is 9. Okay, so what is the place value and face value for the second digit? This is first digit completed, second digit, so that is also 9 only, no? So the digit into, in which place it is there? 1000. So 9000 is the place value. Okay, so what is the face value of 9? 9 only. For every digit the face value is that digit itself. That's why for this 9 face value is 9. For this 9 face value is also 9. Okay, next for 8, for this 9 which is in hundreds place, what is the place value? 9 into 100, that is 900. Why? This 9 is in hundreds place, so 9 into 100, 900. What is the place value? 9 only. Face value? 9 only. Next 8, this 8 is in which place? Tens place, so 8 into 10, it is 80. What is that? Place value is 80. What is the face value of 8? 8 only. Okay, so next one, this 9, in which place it is there? Ones place. 9 into 1 equal to 9, that is the place value. Next, face value of 9 is 9 only. So like that we have found out the place value and face value of each digit in the number. Like this you have to find the place value and face value for every digit in the number. If he is asking particularly for one number only, you have to find it for that number only. That's all, enough. Okay, so with this we have completed the topic place value and face value. Okay, so I have given you plenty of examples I have given you. So once again you have to try. I will give some homework for you. Homework: find out the place value and face value of 7 in first number 7890. So what I am telling, find the place value and face value of 7 in the following numbers. Okay, first number is 7890. Okay, here you have to find the place value of 7. Okay, for in every number you have to find the place value and face value of 7. Okay, for that 7 only I am asking. Okay, find out for that only what place value and face value. 70000. Next, third question is 87900. Next, fourth question is 86870. Okay. Fifth question is 967. Okay. So for in every number you have to find the place value and face value of only 7 only I am asking. Okay, in every number you have to find the place value and face value of 7 only 7. Okay, by next class you have to complete this. Okay, did you write that question? Once again I am writing. Next one is I am giving some random numbers. Okay, so I have just neglect it. These are the questions, you have to write them. Okay, for this you have to write the place value and face value of 7 for every number. Okay, for these numbers only. Before I wrote and I neglect it. These are the numbers. For this you have to find the place value and face value for 7 only 7. Okay, so with this we have completed this topic. Okay, in next class we will continue with next topic. Okay, so this is for your homework, you have to do it, then only you will get perfect. Okay, so here this is not 77,000, this is 70,000 only. Okay, this is 70,000 only, not 77,000. I wrote it by mistake. Okay, thank you. Next topic we will continue in the next class. Thank you. Okay.